Can I have a lamp burning in the room? Can I have a lamp burning in the room? ಅಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಬತ್ತಿ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಉರಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ, ಹಚ್ಬೋದಾ? ಲ್ಯಾಂಪನ್ನು ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ನೋ ನೋ. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್. ಅಪ್ಪನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಿದೆ? ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗ ತುಂಬ ಪುಕ್ಕಲ, ಭಯಪಡುವಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಭಯಪಡುವಂಥ ನೇಚರ್ನವನು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು, ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೋ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್. ನೀನು ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಮಲಗುದು ಬೇಡ. ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡು? ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್. ನೀನು ಈ ಕತ್ತಲೆ ಅಂತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಕತ್ತಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆದರ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಭಯವನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಮಗನೇ. ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡಿ ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋ, ಹೆದರಬೇಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಎಫ್ರೇಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಬರೀಬೇಡಲ್ಲ, ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಗುಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹವ್ಯಾಸಗಳು. ನೀನಿವತ್ತು ತಂದೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಿದೆ? ಮಗ ತುಂಬ ಭಯಪಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತುಂಬ ಹೆದರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಭಯವನ್ನು, ಆ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್, ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನೋ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. He didn't sleep till now, Every time he used to sleep beside his granny or mother, most of the time with the granny. Today he had to sleep alone, which he had not at all aware of it. Now he had to sleep. Malaglebeku. And father is saying, you must sleep. And if you sleep, you will get courage. In future you will not get afraid of darkness. ಕತ್ಲೆಯನ್ನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು ಭಯಪಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಎನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ, ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಗಿಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ದ ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್? ಸಿ, will you at least leave? It's a difference, leave and leave. What do you mean by live? I live in Mangalore. I live in Hassan. I live in Mysuru. I live in Bengaluru. ವಾಸಿಸು. Leave. Open. Keep open. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ. Leave. Got the meaning? Homophone, isn't it? Will you at least leave the door open? At least door open ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನನಗೆ? ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಯು ವೋಂಟ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನೀಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಸೈಟ್. ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮೀ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅದು ಯು won't roll up, I showed you, roll up your bed and go to your granny's side at night. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀನು ಅದೇ ಕುತಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಅದೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ, ಆಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನೀನು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ನೀನು ಪುನಃ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಾನು ಆಚೆ ಹೋದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಯು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮೀ ಯು ವೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಯು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಯು ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ನೈಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ after some time, if I go and don't break this challenge, ಈ ಚಾಲೆಂಜನ್ನು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡು, ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಲಗ್ತೀಯಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್, I will make you the laughing stock of your school. I will make you a laughing stock of your school. Laughing stock ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ? ತಮಾಷೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಣಕು ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಂಗ್ಯ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will tell your friends that this boy, your friend, always sleep beside his granny like a baby, and I had challenged him to sleep in the office room alone, but he did not sleep. He is a very pukka. He is a coward. I will tell all those things. All those your talents, this type of talent I will tell your friends. Is that okay? I will make you the laughing stock. You understood that? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಇಡೀ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇಡೀ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಣೆ ಬರವನ್ನು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ there are some questions again. What do you think was the practice of granny before she went to bed? Okay, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? What do you think was the practice of granny before she went to bed? What granny used to do? I told you, ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕತೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. Yeah, granny used to tell stories before going to bed to Swami, isn't it? Yes. Was Swami really sleeping? Yes or no? These are yes or no questions, isn't it? Was Swami really sleeping? Did he sleep? No, then no. Answer is no. Or was he pretending? Was he pretending? Pretend means act like sleeping or acting like sleeping. ಮಲಗಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಟಿಸೋದು. He was not sleeping. The answer is no, and he was or was he pretending? Yes. Answer is yes. He was pretending. ನಟಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. Third one, page 6. To Swami, his father looked like an apparition. Apparition, isn't it? Answer is apparition. Bhuta, isn't it? Yes. Why do you think Swami looked at his granny and his mother while following his father to the room? Why do you think Swami looked at his granny? You getting the question? Why do you think Swami looked at his granny and his mother while following his father to the room? You know why? At least father could be convinced by mother or grandma. ಅಮ್ಮ ಮತ್ತು ಅಜ್ಜಿಯ ಮಾತನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ at least father may change his decision, isn't it? So at least so that he could again sleep with the granny. Yes. Fifth one, there might be scorpions behind your law books. Did you write whatever I said? Yeah, are you writing? Yes. I am not in a hurry to finish. First of all, let you understand. Then only I can continue. Simply, I don't want to finish my portion. I don't want to finish my lesson. Paಠ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. That is important. You should understand the word by word. You should know the spellings as well as. You should know how to pronounce, how to read. Okay. Yes. There might be scorpions behind your law books. There might be scorpions behind your law books, said Swami. Isn't it? You know that. There might be scorpion. There might be. Might, I said may. That past tense is might. Isn't it? So, question is A. Had he seen them earlier? Had he seen them earlier? Or were there scorpions really? Were there scorpions really? Do you agree this? Had he seen them earlier? Had he seen them? Did he sleep earlier? No, na? Then no. Answer is no. Or athava, were there scorpions really? He told, right? There are scorpions behind your law books. Isn't it? Were there scorpions really? We don't know. There might be. Because nobody was using that room. So maybe these scorpions were using the room. Isn't it? Yeah. B. Was it a trick to escape from his father? Was it a trick to escape from his father? Yes. It was a cute trick. By saying that, at least father could relieve him, father could allow him, father could change his mind. That's a one trick, isn't it? Yes. Did you write? These are just not in the point of view of examination. It is just a check. It is just to check whether you have understood the lesson. It's just one kind of recapitulation, or just one kind of evaluation. Just whatever you have studied till now, just go through it and find out the answer. It is a work given to you. But still we have discussed about it, isn't it? Yes. Okay, next. Page 6, 10th one. Yeah, I'll read for you. Any doubts in the last paragraph? No? Yeah. Swami felt cut off from humanity. He was pained and angry. He did not like the strain of cruelty he saw in his father's nature. He hated the newspaper for printing the tiger's story. He wished that the tiger had not spared the boy, who didn't appear to be a boy after all, but a monster. Okay, before that, just to check you, I have some questions for you. Just go to page number 2, paragraph number 2. See, one question for you. See, you have a extract type question I told you in the beginning of my class. See, one example. Read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow. Okay? See, you will have a question like this. Nimge parikshege extract anta helidre, extract means ಈ ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಅದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. I'm just revising you whether you have understood or not. Okay, I just told you the page number also. I just told you the paragraph also. Okay, just go through there. I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. Okay, you may have questions like this. It's just an example. A, it has got 3 marks. Okay, who thought like this? Who will answer? Who thought like this? Who thought like this? Answer is there in the text. That's why I told you, while teaching, please concentrate, please underline, please take down. You were careless. That's why now you are struggling to answer me. Okay, just I'll give you 30 seconds again. Just go through the paragraph and find out the answer for question number 1. That is a question. I'll repeat again for you. Okay, who thought like this? Thought, think past tense, thought. Yes, please. Okay, last boy is sleepy. Get up, man. Yes. What is the answer? Yes, very good. Swami thought like this. So, how you should write? A, don't write the question again. Whose thought like this? Swamis. Swamis. See? Swamis. Swamis thought like this. That's all. That's the answer. That's the answer. I don't want a big answer. Short answer. A. Yes. One marks you got. Okay. Clap him. Clap him. Very good. Sit. Sit. Next. Next. Who does he refer to? Who does he refer to? He means. He refers to the boy who fought against the tiger. See, I told you the answer. You are supposed to say, but nobody has raised your hand. It's about a boy who fought with the tiger and killed the tiger. That is the boy who is referred he here. Okay. He andre yaru anta illi. He andre Swami alla. He andre that boy who killed the tiger. Okay. He refers to the boy. He refers to the boy who fought against the tiger. Or fought with the tiger. Isn't it? Yes. Third one. When did he say this? When did he say this? When did he say this? Because when his father argued that the boy was able to fight against a tiger. Why? See, please understand this. I could say blank faces. ಯಾರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್? ವೆನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್? ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಫಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟೈಗರ್. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಆ ಹುಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೋರಾಡಿದ ಎಂಬುದು ಉತ್ತರ. ಅದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೋ? ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೋ? ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಯಾರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯ್, ಯಾರು? ನಮ್ಮ ಇವನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಹಿ ಥಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್, he thought that. Who means? He means not that boy, this boy, our Swami boy. He thought that the boy wouldn't have fought with the tiger. He wouldn't have fought. See the line. Don't be confused, get confused. I think he must have been very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. Why he did think so? Why did he think so? ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, he thought that the boy could not have fought with the tiger. That's why he's saying he might be a grown up person, may not be a boy at all. See that last statement, not a boy at all. That is the meaning. Is that okay? Yes. Second question to you. Okay, one kind of quiz, or I wanted to test whether you have understood or not. Okay, that's okay. Next, you think you are wiser than the newspaper? Second question to you. Okay, we will ask to this side now. I just asked the left side, right side. Please answer. Anybody can answer. Yes. You think you are wiser than the newspaper? Please search. Don't look at me. It's not there in my face. Just see the textbook. Yes. You think you are wiser than the newspaper? Who will answer? Nobody is lifting the hand. ಏನು ಮಾರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಪಾಠ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ? You think you are the wiser than the newspaper? Who is the you? Okay, my question is this side can answer, but let them try, because they are not at all opening their mouth. Who is the you here? You think you are wiser than the newspaper? It's very easy, man. Just see the textbook. You means none other than Swami, isn't it? Next question. What was in the newspaper? What was in the newspaper? Yeah, this side only, this side only. Yes, the news is about the boy who had fought against the tiger. Yes, you are right. Okay, third one. What made the speaker say so? What made the speaker say so? ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಯಿತು? Because Swami thought that, Swami believed that this boy couldn't have fought with the tiger. He might have been a grown up person, not a small boy, not at all a small boy. So he may not have fought with the tiger. ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಟೈಗರ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಿ ಮೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಅಪ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಯಂಗರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಆಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹತ್ರ ಈಗ ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ತಂದೆ ಹೇಳುವ ಮಾತು, ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೈಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್? ಎಸ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಎಸ್. ಕರೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. Courage is everything. Courage is everything. Okay, otherwise I will tell you page number 2nd, paragraph number 2nd. In that third para, last line. Just please copy that. Courage is everything. Just copy that. Courage is everything. Strength and age is not important. Strength and age is not important. Okay, finished writing? Okay. Question number 1. That is like this: A, next B, C. Just write one by one, and please leave one line for the answer. A question, then leave one space, one line. Who made this statement? Who made this statement? Am I faster? Am I dictating faster? No, na? Okay. Who made this statement? Did you finish writing? Okay. Now I asked you to leave one line for the answer, but surprise is I am not going to tell you the answer. That's a homework for you. Yes, it's a homework. Next, who did he say this? Who did he say this? Who did he say this? Second, B, who did he say this? Please write. Who did he say this? Answer, you're right. You have to write. Not now, tomorrow. C, why did he say so? Why did he say so? Why? W-H-Y. Did. D-I-D. Why did he say? S-A-Y. So? Question mark. Okay. Finished? Right. One more. Next one. You must sleep alone hereafter. You must sleep alone hereafter. Okay. You must sleep alone hereafter. A question. Why did first question, please write down. Why did Swami's, it's here, Swami's, apostrophe S, Swami's father, F-A-T-H-E-R, want, W-A-N-T, want, him to Sleep, sleep alone, sleep alone, question mark. Leave one space, 1 or 2 line. Next B, second question, B, in that only. Who did, usually, you want the spelling usually? Yes, USUSUALLY, usually. Who did usually sleep? Sleep, you know spelling? Sleep, yes. Beside, BESIDE, beside granny, GRANNY, question mark. Yes, leave one space for the answer. C. Where was a Swami asked to sleep? Where was a Swami asked, ASKED, to sleep? Question mark. Okay, I gave you 2 extracts. This is a homework for you. Please search the answer. You read the textbook, find out the answer, and you have to get the homework done tomorrow. Okay, it's an activity to you. Okay, you finish that, and also till now any doubts you have, you can ask me in my next class. Okay, and also you please practice reading exercise. Is that okay? Shall we call it a day? Shall we end our lesson? Today's lesson? Yes? Right.